Hi, I'm Kay from Kay Wears Wigs on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me today for my wig review for this brand new style by Noriko called Merrill in the color NM Champagne Rooted. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Before we start, I would like to say a big thank you to Wig Studio One who provided me with this wig so I can review it for you. So let's start with the color NM Champagne Rooted. Beautiful platinum blonde with a very natural root. So the NM stands for natural movement, which is referring to the fiber. So we talk about the fiber in a minute, but just let's look at this beautiful color. The transition from the root into this very platinum color is so beautifully done, so natural. To my eyes, that root has a little bit of a cooler tone to it. And it's not overly dark. So it's very natural how it just shows throughout the cap. Beautiful. And then you have platinum blonde for the rest. Really sumptuous blonde color. So, and here is the color outside, so you get an idea of what it looks like in the natural light. Let's talk about Merrill. She is so pretty. So she is like a neck length beach wave, kind of relaxed. So she is fairly straight out the box. I got rid of the zigzag parting and I combed her through just a little bit, mainly with my fingers, to just relax that curl just a little bit. But it's such a modern curl pattern here. So Merrill comes with a lace front and a mono part. So let's look at that lace front. It's beautifully done. It's so natural. So you have a mixture of the lighter pieces and the root color all mixed together. So to me that looks really natural and I can't really see the knots. So really great job. The mono part really well done as well. It was not a problem to undo the zigzag parting. I didn't need any water or anything. So really, really good. So let's look at Merrill from all sides. Really pretty. And I don't know if you've noticed, but I've noticed it straight away. The movement on this is so realistic. So Merrill is made of NM fiber, which is the natural movement fiber, which I believe Rene of Paris has invented. It's a mixture of high quality synthetic fiber and high quality heat friendly fiber. So, but it's not a heat friendly wig. Please don't use heat on it. What this does is, first of all, for such a blonde color, I don't think there really is any unnatural shine. So it reduces the shine, and also the fibers have different denier, which is similar to what human hair would have, and therefore it allows that very natural movement. They feel incredibly soft. It's lovely. It's so nice to touch. It's one of those where you're like, oh yeah, I want to touch them more. You just want to keep running your hands through it. It's great. It's just amazing quality, I think. So let's look at the cap construction. We have a mono part that's actually quite wide. So you have quite a bit of styling options in terms of the parting here. You have an extended lace front, so it runs into the ear tabs. Really nice coverage on the sides. It's also quite a deep lace front. You have net covered ear tabs with metal stays. They are really nice and strong. Net covered, slightly extended nape with bra strap like adjusters. Open wefts, sides and back. There is stretch to this cap, and there is just a little bit of permatease throughout the cap. Fit-wise, straight out of the box, I did not need to adjust it. My circumference is 21.5 inches. And there is room to go up a little bit and down a little bit. There is a little bit of gapping in the back, so I do think it would fit a 22-inch comfortably. Anything above that, please check that with Wig Studio One to just ensure that it would fit you. Anything below my 21.5, you probably will have some gapping in the back, but there's still room to adjust down. So I think it would fit you too. Right, let's look at the coverage on the sides. On me, really well done. And the transition into the ear tabs, really beautifully done. Very natural looking. So the transition is here. So I don't think you can see the transition at all. So really amazing quality on MERRILL. Density wise, really nice natural density. Permatease wise, a tiny bit, but not the poofy kind. So you have just the covering of the wefts with the permatease. So let's look at styling options. I like tucking. It is possible on both sides, but because you have a little bit more hair this side and you have waves as well, it does push your ear forward just a little bit, but I think it's still manageable. Because of that gorgeous lace front, you can pull it back and off your face. You can pull one side back or both. Half up, half down you can do as well. It's long enough to have it in a pony. I like to pull some of these layers out. So a few styling options there for you. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you again to Wig Studio One for sending me this piece. Any questions, any comments, put them down below. Please like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram and Facebook at KWearsWigs. Have a lovely day, and I hope I see you soon. Bye.